Well, hello everybody. This will be my first attempt to post something I kind of discovered, had to come up with a solution for on YouTube to share with everybody. As you can see here, I have a standard door flap for a dog door. This happens to be a large, I think it's 9 by 16. And about a year after we installed it, the door started to sag, and you can see the holes here. They were starting to become oblong, and the rubber was starting to stretch, and the door would sag and then catch on the bottom. So I went to buy new doors and found that replacement doors were about $25 a piece. So that's $50 plus shipping, handling, and tax and all of that to replace the two doors on our dog door. So I decided to come up with a better solution, something that was a little stronger, a little more resilient. I actually made this repair about a year ago, and wanted to test it out before I, tried to post it out for everybody to share, because I didn't want to, have it be a failure and then have people comment back and tell me it didn't work. So what I did, I started out by, I trimmed along the top here, tried to make it as straight as I could, where the top of the plastic is supposed to be. So I trimmed all of the elongated pieces off. So then I needed something to reinforce those holes with. So this item here is a landscape stake from your local garden center. They cost about 25 cents a piece. And so then I cut it to length, and the diameter of this is basically the same as the thickness of the rubber. And it'll give the screws, it'll give the weight of the plastic to something to hit up against and hold. And essentially I just laid that in place and used some heavy-duty duct tape. You can also use the aluminum tape they use for heating and cooling, which will last. The duct tape I peeled off today was in good shape. Had been there for a year. Didn't seem to be any problem. Haven't had any sagging. So basically I just fold it over, punch holes through the duct tape where the screws need to go, put it back together onto the door, and bang, you're good to go. You saved yourself about $50. Cost you 25 cents and a trip to the hardware store.